We'll begin with the carpet shampooing. So here's the part of the coffee stain. So what the machine is doing right now is actually brushing the carpet or shampooing the carpet with the right amount of detergent and also a pre-mixed solution of stain remover to give it the optimum cleaning power and stain removal capability. Okay, so with this step done, so the coffee residue is actually still in the carpet. So right now we're going to use our extractor machine, which will actually spray a thin layer of water, and then after that doing the vacuum suction to remove the dirt, stain, and for this case the coffee residue from the carpet. So it will make it really nice and clean. Here's the result after the cleaning. No more coffee stain. The carpet is really nice and clean. Our dedicated team has been in the carpet cleaning industry for more than 10 years now. If you have any questions or if you need to find out more information, do feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.